All right, make your list, top 100. Got to do this. This is critical because once you get started, you'll forget to do this. Then you got your CRM Grow account. What is CRM Grow? It's like a CRM, a database that has marketing material that you can reach out to agents or anybody you want. Here is mine, just so you know. And I have all different types of contacts in here. We have a lot of automations built in, right, to move people along in the process. The EXP Explain videos, people who saw the video, didn't watch the video, all kinds of different automations. But don't worry about how when you guys come over here. The only thing you have to work is just do this. Just follow this program. And then we'll all meet again, a bunch of us, and we'll walk you through the how piece as well, which is, you got it so simplified now. You guys are lucky. You don't have to figure out anything. In fact,
can I ask a question? I'm sorry.
Absolutely. Yes.
Is the top 100 target, is it just a list of agents, or what exactly is the list compounded of?
All right, here's the criteria for the list right here. People have a positive attitude, that are business minded, that are real estate brokers, team leaders. Okay. I'll even add another section for you. If you know people who are just business people that's not realtors, that if they saw this would get their real estate license. Like I have a lady in Michigan. She ran a staffing company and a coaching company. She was coaching 300 realtors on sales, but she was not a realtor. So she got a realtor license, and you already know what happened next, right? All those agents coaching came over to EXP. She's never sold, she never sold a home in her life, and she makes about $80,000 a month. This happens to be my sister, by the way. Okay. So I'm like, hey, you coaching real estate agents, instead of sending them to me, why don't you just sign up? So she got a realtor license, and within 90 days, I think 120 of them came over. Just ridiculous. All right. So you remember, just two things you got to remember. People are not joining your team. They're joining an organization. The person that sponsored me into EXP was, you guys all met Juanita. Awesome lady, phenomenal, but my real estate career was way beyond what she was. I met her in Dallas, Texas, and she introduced me to Shelly, who introduced me to the CEO of EXP. And because she introduced me to Shelly, she sponsored me to EXP. Her production was nowhere near mine. So don't be inferior, and I don't want you to be thinking about talking about your team. Talk about organization, because guess what? I'm in your organization. You made a real estate broker with 500 agents. You want them to talk to me. And you can just act like you don't know anything. And then when they sign up, all of a sudden you just sponsor 500 people, and it goes bananas for you. Ask any questions you guys want. This is for you. All right. And so that's your list. Positive attitude, business-minded, realtor brokers, and team leaders. CRM Grow account. That's where we'll store everybody. Just go ahead and don't get the free version or the cheap version. You need the $49 version. I'm just going to tell you up front. Otherwise, you're kind of wasting your time, because we have a lot of automations already in play for you that we can share with you. So upload that list to CRM Grow. I just did it this morning. Matter of fact, I use CRM Grow for a lot of things. I have a bunch of realtors in my mortgage company, Guaranteed Home Loans, and I want to be able to text them and tell them about different loan programs. So I'm like, let me upload these 175 agents that send us business and create an automated campaign where we don't have to call them anymore. We can just shoot them a text. So this made me think about, expanding into that, which I did. Just uploaded them this morning.
I'm an engineering background. I love automation. So
yeah, absolutely. I mean, I was in a seminar with Tony Robbins a couple of weeks ago, Wealth Mastery, and one of the ladies that spoke, and she was saying that, you don't want to have 100% automation or 100% human, but you want to have whatever whatever you can automate the best, the most, the better. Because you could think about it, you really could have 100% automation and a video from Anthony Nunez, which makes it more human, right? Hey, this is Anthony, because you got BombBomb, right? BombBomb.com, you got that technology. Hey, this is Anthony, whatever you want to say to him. So you kind of put the human with the technology on at the same time. It'd be huge for you.